My name's Curtis Titus. I'm a retired military officer. I'm also a disabled veteran. I have been here for 3 days learning about this upcoming industry of the drone and the applications of this tool. My goodness, the opportunities and the preparation that I have had during my life as a technician, this is luck. Luck equals opportunity plus preparedness. So everybody who can join this um, drone command live, this is and join the Sky Eye network. This is the place to come because this is the network leaders or the industry leaders that we need to follow and stick with for the upcoming 5 years.